PMI Industries is celebrating its 35th year this year, so you're able to bring an awful lot of knowledge and experience to relatively new technologies. What do you see as the most important crossover technology that you're bringing to offshore wind?
Yeah, PMI has been primarily listening to industry feedback and developing innovative solutions for those. Probably our most beneficial technology that we've been able to cross over has been from the oil and gas industry, and that's our Dynahanger mid-cable suspension system. And what that's done is it's enabled seismic survey companies to run more profitably by increasing their reliability and decreasing their time. What we've done with the wind hang-off is designed it to kind of incorporate some of those features as well.
So we were speaking earlier about the wind hang-off process, and I know that you're involved in quite a few innovations to address that. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Yeah, certainly. So what we've done with our wind hang-off, we've addressed several key issues when we went out to our clients and kind of solicited their feedback. Primarily, the first thing is time. What we wanted to do was decrease the amount of time to install because that can be quite expensive. Secondly, we determined that the hang-off area needed more corrosion protection, and we designed a product that's going to be more reliable and more durable in hopes to survive the required 25-year service span. Lastly, what we've done is we've designed it with health and safety in mind and some environmental aspects as well. It is environmentally conscious as we've completely done away with the need for epoxy, so we eliminate fumes from the installer's standpoint, as well as we don't have the environmental concerns because we don't have to worry about the spillage.
That's great, thank you. In Europe, the offshore wind markets tend to be more mature than in the US, and so there's a lot of conversation around exporting skills and learning to the US. But I think the US has to deal with a rougher geography in many ways, and so do you feel that there are learnings that could come back the other way?
Yeah, certainly. There are quite a few established technologies, which, of course, in Europe, traditionally it's been fixed bottom. On the east coast of the United States, that can certainly be leveraged. We can use those mature technologies. However, on the west coast, the seafloor gets deep quite quickly. And in those cases, it's going to need to be floating offshore wind platforms. And those are a relatively new technology. So as those develop, we hope to be able to export those globally as well. And the beauty of our wind hang-off is that it can actually be used in both applications.
Fantastic, thank you very much.